This is a simple herb rice you can put together quickly. All you need is your rice and parsley flakes or any herb, dried herb you have in the house. You can use fresh herbs, but that means you add after the rice has cooked. So what you want to just do is make sure your water is boiling, put in a bit of parsley flakes, depending on how you want it, a pinch of salt, pour in your rice, and your herb rice is ready. Just let it cook and let it assimilate with the spices that you're using for the herb rice. So in this one, we used parsley flakes. I'm just pouring in my washed rice, and that's about it. And you can serve this with any sauce that you have available. So this is a simple herb rice. For this class, I'm thinking maybe I'll just show you another recipe for a more complicated one. Not complicated, like a more extensive one, but this is a very simple rice that you can serve and just add pizzazz to the dinner table.